Today we're going to look at using Fusion 360 and actually uploading the SCAS CNC tools to Fusion so we can look at the manufacturing process. So first thing I want you to do is open your Fusion account. It should look something like this, and open up your a project that you've been working on or starting to work on. And what we need to do is actually move across from the design screen to the manufacturing screen. So this drop down menu here will allow us to do so. So we're just going to click on it and drop down to manufacture. And then slide across into the tool library. So this button here will allow us to access the tool library. And in here we can add new tools or our own tools. Currently, you'll have no tools in your tool library. So over here on the left-hand side, I want you to right-click or two-finger click, and I want you to go to Import Libraries. And what you're going to do is you need to have the shared storage drive open, and in the student shared storage on your Mac. So to do that, if you haven't got it open, you need to go Finder, Connect to Server, and open up the student shared storage. And under Software, you can scroll down, and what you need to do is find a folder that is called SCAS CNC Tool Library. And we're just going to open that library. And what that will do, as you can see here, is it'll drop a new library in, and you'll have all of these tools listed. Hitting close, and we're back now in the manufacturing